Hey everyone, I'm almost gonna go to bed, but usually when I wake up, I'm super starving really bad already, so I'm gonna try the super donut before I go to bed. I mean, sounds kinda weird, but I don't know. Let's see, what does it say? 5 grams protein, I mean, it's okay, I think. So, let me open this. So, hold on a second. I don't like to show myself yet. Maybe until I get like more popular or something. So I'm gonna take a bite. Actually, I'm gonna smell it first. Ooh, it smells like like just regular dough. My mouth is watering now. I'm gonna try it out. Wait a minute. My mouth is like. Alright, let me try now. Wow, it's super good. I mean, if you like the taste of dough in this, how does it taste like that? Let me try again. Yeah, it just kind of tastes like a donut and dough together. I like it. Super good. They sell them at 7-Eleven. Usually like right by the counter. I do recommend it. Go out and get it. Okay, that's my donut food review. See, later on I'm gonna do a coffee one. Again. Okay, bye. I'm back. That donut didn't fill me up. I'm getting hungry now. Let's have some more sugar. This is that mint chocolate ice cream I told you about before. Here's the ice cream sandwich part. Hold on. Look at that. An ice cream sandwich. It's a real one. Ooh. Can't wait to taste it. That's actually really good. Kind of tastes like mint candy and, um, you know, ice cream sandwich. Honey Stinger Waffle? Huh. What is this? Oh, time to find out. I'm hungry. I do like the icons on it. This is interesting, isn't it? Okay. I'm gonna open it. So, hold on just a second. Okay. I opened it up. Whoa, I can start to smell it. Whoa, this thing feels so weird. It smells like a cookie. It smells really weird and strange. I can't tell. It makes my mouth water though. Alright, let's try it out. Whoa. I thought this thing would be super crunchy. It's like a little softness when you bite into it. Now that is really good. Like, don't know what to explain it, but let me taste it again. I guess it does taste like there's some honey in it. Is there? I don't know. I love it though. This was at a Rite Aid, I think. Okay. Well, that's the waffle thing. It has like if you think of it as like an oatmeal cookie, like the biteness, like the softness of it, that's what's it like. It does taste like honey and it almost tastes like shortbread, like shortbread crackers or cookies, with honey on it. I like it. I do recommend it. Go out and get it. Cat's like. Okay. I got done eating this already, since the last video. So, I'm still hungry and I'm gonna try this now. Never opened it yet. Sorry, I'm not using my tripod today. Because a few reasons. One is my vision's just been bothering me super bad. Like, it's been scaring me a lot, and I'm even going to the eye doctor today, so I just didn't have time to do all of that. I like how there's a symbol on it. Okay, here we go. Let's see what's under it. Ooh. This was outrageous for about like $6. Wow. That's pretty good. Let's try the white one. Wow. It tastes like just white chocolate itself. You know, like a white Hershey bar in a way. I'm not sure if I want to try them all. I might save some for later, actually. No, like, cause I mean, it's a bit expensive. Yep. White chocolate. And I must have ate the hazelnut one. And then there's those ones. Okay. Well, that was this thing. I didn't want to eat all of them because I only bought like one box for me and one box for my brother. Alright. So something I got today. I've never had this before. I'm gonna smell it. Whoa. It smells like... It does smell like barbecue. If you wonder what that noise is, it's my cat scratching itself. That's pretty good. It does have a hint of barbecue. I can probably eat these all day. There's not much to it. It just kind of tastes like maybe like a cheese curl. Let me try it again. It tastes like a cheese curl with barbecue sauce or something. Like if you would have just dipped it in barbecue sauce. Alright. It's been a long time, I feel, that I haven't done this every night of recording. Let me just help and say some things. I'm not sure if these food reviews are going to be getting any good. Like, maybe I should just move on to something else, you know? It seems like food reviews are not getting much views anymore. Or at least I'm just not out there yet, I don't know. I'm just gonna start doing a mix of videos probably, you know? Okay, so today, you know, I took a walk. I didn't really drink this, even though it's in half. What I did is I took a walk with a family member tonight, and there's only one of these, not even a second one at all. We even told to get a 7-Eleven person, could they check in the back room, see if they have any more of these. He checked in the back, and there was no more. This was the last bottle. So what me and my family member did is when we came home, we split it in half into a cup. So I gave him the cup of it, and I kept the bottle. So I can do this food review, at least show you what this is. So I guess this is supposed to be good for you, you know. See? So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna shake it up. I've never had this today, or I don't remember any other days I had this, but let's try it out. I'm gonna try this thing out. Okay. Gonna smell it first. I like to smell it first. It kind of smells like a chocolate like protein drink. Wait, does it say protein on it? Yep, this says protein on it. So is this a protein drink? I don't know, but it smells like one of them chocolate protein drinks. Well, I'm gonna try it out. Oh my. The texture of it is a bit thick. It's kind of thick, the texture of it. It does kind of have a chalky taste to it. There's a chalky taste to it, a hint of chocolate Ovaltine, and like a chocolate milkshake. And you know, the thickness of it is kind of thick. So mix all those together and into one, and then think of it that way, and that's what this tastes like. I want to try out this. It's not a food thing. Whoa. It's not a food thing, but I wanted to try this out for quite a long time. I just got my family member one of these from 7-Eleven, and I got another family member one of these as well from 7-Eleven, but I never tried it yet. The reason why I never did is because I've been waiting for this particular moment so I can do a food review on it, a drink review on it. It's time to check it out. I'm not gonna shake this up though. Alright, I'm gonna hold this kind of close to the camera for some stupid reason, So you can probably... Oh, my water tried to fall. So I'm gonna hold this to the camera for some stupid reason, just so you can hear, you know, the truck noise or hiss noise, air brakes noise, whatever, like really close to the camera. I'm sorry. I couldn't open it at first. Whoa. The smell of that. I literally have not had Pepsi in over a year. Can you hear it? Okay. Mango Pepsi. I cannot believe I'm actually drinking this, because I haven't had it in such a long time. Let's see what it tastes like. Oh my gosh. What is that? I gotta have this again. Can you freaking imagine? This tastes like a real mango in this. This doesn't taste like just a artificial flavor mango. This tastes like a real mango in soda form. In some kind of soda form, it tastes like a real mango. I've had mango flavored things. This does not taste so artificial flavored. This tastes like a real mango in here. Whoa. Or a mango gummy. That's exactly what it tastes like. Gummies and mango into some kind of soda form. That I seriously for you to recommend drinking. Try it out. Try this out. Even if you don't even like Pepsi, or even if you haven't had Pepsi in super long, or even if you're not even a soda fan. Like, I don't even drink a lot of soda, to be honest. See, I just mainly just drink water. But I just wanted to do this for a food review. And I do recommend it, but I can feel the soda already going through me. And soda never usually makes me feel so good, so if it doesn't make you feel so good, maybe not recommend it as much. But this is 0 sugar, so I don't know how much, if that's how true of it is, but I'm not feeling so good already. So it's up to you, but the taste of it is good. But maybe the reason why I'm not feeling so good is because I already drank some of this, and maybe a mix of this, maybe it's not so good. So sorry about that. It might give you burps. Let me look for a food item for you. Here's something. Look at this. Cocoa Pebbles candy bar. What is that? I've never seen this thing in my entire life, except maybe the image and maybe the cereal, but not a candy bar. Well, maybe at the store when I picked it up, yeah. Alright. Okay. Oh, I don't like getting candy bars and stuff when it's a paragraph full of ingredients, because then you just know it's chemicals like crazy. I just mean like natural things. But boy, see, this is why another reason I might not want to do food reviews as much, because I don't like eating things too much that has too much chemicals. Hey look, it's made in the USA. Does that mean it's gonna taste bad? I don't know. Alright. Ooh boy. Just look at that. I don't see the Cocoa Pebbles inside or anything. Let me try to bite it in half. No. Hmm. It tastes like. It tastes like one of those super solid chocolates that you get in one of them yellow boxes, you know? A yellow box. And then there's a variety of chocolates. This tastes like one of those really solid chocolates that's complete pure chocolate. It tastes pretty good actually, I like it. Yeah. It tastes like a milk, creamy, solid chocolate. Maybe it might taste like the Cocoa Pebbles, I don't know, I haven't had it in so long. Hey, milk and creamy chocolate. Maybe it's trying to mimic the cereal, you know, milk and Cocoa Pebbles and chocolate. And milky creamy. Huh, that's amazing. I thought it would taste kind of bad. Like chemicals. No, it tastes pretty good actually. Let me see how it tastes with this. With this chocolate. I'm gonna probably not feel so good today. Oh, forgot that's the chalky taste. Well, let me try some water. Wait, you already know what water tastes like. Yeah, water. It tastes like water. So, that's gonna probably be this food review for today. I'm probably gonna do other stuff like gaming or just filming this random stuff. I don't know. It just seemed like my food reviews are not really going so well. Oh, I hope you enjoy it. At least it doesn't taste like sink water, I'd say that much. Sink water tastes bad. I like spring water.